3.
Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw with MarineMax in Venice. I want to introduce to you one of our pre-owned boats. This is a beautiful 2018 Sea Ray 350 Coupe. So what we're going to do, we're going to go through some of the features on the boat, propulsion system. This boat is very well optioned out. So the first thing I want to point out, this boat's equipped with the C-cores. The C-cores actually stand up much better in the saltwater environment. And the Bravo 3 drives are counter-rotating, so the benefit of that is when you're doing negotiations at the dock or you go into hard turns or things like that, it gives you a lot of control over the boat. This is an Axius boat, meaning that these drives will work with and against each other. You can totally walk the boat sideways. Incorporated in that is your autopilot as well as Skyhook. Skyhook's pretty cool. Let's say we're on the boat right now, waiting for a bridge or getting our dock lines together. You push the Skyhook and these guys will work with and against each other to keep you perfectly still. Really nice feature. So what we're going to do, we'll kind of go through the boat. I want to point out some of the options while we're out here. Extended swim platform. This is a huge platform, and kind of coming up, we'll kind of go through some more stuff. So as you can see, lots and lots of room around here. So when you're getting on and off the boat, depending on what dock you're at, or just hanging out back here, huge platform. This one also has your summer kitchen, so this is pretty cool. So you've got your grill here, so if you're doing some entertaining and things like that, this works out great, real easy to get to. Everything closes down. This one also has your extended aft sunshade that comes out about 8 feet, so on these hot summer days that really comes in handy. And on the top you can see we also have your radar on here. It's got GPS autopilot, which we'll kind of go through. So walking in the back of the boat here, from the stern, we've got U-shaped seating all the way around, tremendous amount of storage underneath here as well. So one thing I like about it for entertaining, you can have the captain's chair turned this way. You can have 2 people on that as well. Totally opens up the cockpit. This is very cool too. You do have a sunroof. So if you want a little bit more sun, that works out great. But with the Coupe, one thing I like is the styling. We've got fully enclosed windshield all the way around and air conditioning, which you need here in Florida. But the benefit there is you don't have to mess with the isinglass and things like that. When you're done boating, just put your aft drop on and you're done. Another nice lounger right here. So for longer trips, you've got some very comfortable seating. Speaking of seating, up front, we have the optional sun pad up there. So if you're, kick back, relaxing at the beach or something, want to lay up there and get some sun, read a book, relax, that works out great. So let's go over here to the helm real quick, and I'll show you a couple other things. This one has the Simrad GPS. That's a really nice unit, very fast processor. Over here to the right, Troy, if you want to come over this way, this is going to be, I'll just spin this around. Your throttles are going to be digital throttle and shift. I'll show you how this works. A little bit easier. So even if you didn't use your joystick right here, these are digital throttle and shift. Very easy to dock the boat. Also on longer trips, a lot of people like to use one lever. Just push this button here, run both your motors on one lever, which is really cool. This one also has active trim. So basically what that's going to do is maximize your whole shot, your cruise, and your wide open throttle. So it does it automatically, and there's 5 different settings. This is going to be your air conditioning right here. We did mention a little bit about the joystick. Boat to the right, boat to the left, left, right. That's the Skyhook we talked about, and your autopilot's incorporated in there. So as far as equipment goes, you pretty much have everything you need here.
So Jeremy, buying a pre-owned boat, let me ask you, a lot of people are concerned about warranty. Tell us about the warranty that's remaining on this boat.
Sea Ray has one of the best warranties in the industry. It's called a Sentinel warranty. So basically from in-service date, you have a 3-year bow to stern, also a 5-year warranty on the Mercruisers. And by the way, these are the 6.2 Mercruisers, only 75 hours on the engines and 47 hours on the Kohler generator.
Excellent.
So as you can see here, lots and lots of room. As we come down in the cabin, the biggest thing you're going to notice is a tremendous amount of headroom. So you get your berth up front, lots of storage all the way around. This right here is a couch and everything. You do have a table. This pulls out right here. So let's just say, you know, you have the grandkids or something with you and you want some additional sleeping quarters. This works out good. Now, the galley, one thing I did want to point out, giant windows all the way around. So you've got a lot of natural lighting so it doesn't feel like you're going down into a submarine or stuff like that. Here at the galley, lots and lots of room here. Back in the aft cabin, you've got 2 bunk beds back here. You've got a filler cushion that goes in between, but the headroom's amazing in this boat. You've got tons and tons of room back here. Another feature that a lot of people like, this one has a separate head and shower. So once again, lots of headroom, but we have our head right here, of course. The shower's separate, so it makes that a little bit easier. I'll let you get in here a little bit easier to maintain and clean that. So very, very nice cabin layout, and we'll go back up here. So Troy, was there any other questions you had on the boat or anything else I can share with you?
So people have bought this boat mainly for what use is this boat, Jeremy?
This is going to be a nice boat. It's a small enough boat where you can handle it by yourself, but it's a big enough boat if you want to go to the Keys, go to the Bahamas. Another big benefit of those stern drives, you get on plane quickly, very agile. It's actually faster than an inboard, and it gives you a lot of better handling characteristics, if you will, easier to dock and things like that. Now, this is a pre-owned boat by MarineMax, so if you do have a trade, no problem there. We have financing available, and the boat is, as you can see, as close to new as you're going to get.
Fantastic. And I understand that the price has been recently reduced.
Yes.
So it's a very good value as well.
Yes.
Quite a bit of savings over a new boat.
Yes. So if you take a look at these on the market, this boat's highly optioned, super low hours, lots of warranty, and it's one of the lowest priced ones in the market. So there's a lot of value to be had here. The boat's located here at MarineMax in Venice. Feel free to give us a call if you want to take a look. My name's Jeremy Bradshaw, and the phone number at MarineMax in Venice is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon.
Thank you, Jeremy.